Okay, so we are loading the coil. Coil's about 1,300 pounds. We do have an extension arm, but we're getting it done. So this trailer is gonna be good to go with 2 coils. All right, so this machine is push start, very modern. Maybe it's out of gas. Anyway, we're gonna get some gas. We're gonna put some non-ethanol. We'll go from there. BG7 commercial gutters. So this is the profile the machine makes. I think it's called BG7. Runs 24, 22 gauge steel continuous commercial gutters all day.